Hello there. Today I'm gonna make something quick and easy for a parent to cook for the kids. Now you can add bacon as well. I've got some sliced little baby tomatoes here, a couple of zucchinis, about 300 grams of mushrooms, shallots and garlic, an onion chopped, and a cup of peas. Olive oil, onion, let it saute, zucchini, mushroom. So let it cook for 10 minutes. And peas. Next step is put these in a bowl. Put the same frying pan with oil, garlic and shallots, the little tomatoes, and I've got some chili here, optional. Salt, let it cook for 10 minutes again, and while this is going, I've got the boiling water for the spaghetti. I've put some basil in there as well, half a bottle of cream, water is boiling, spaghetti in. Barilla number 5, or you can use any pasta you like. While the pasta is cooking, switch off the tomatoes with the cream. I think I'm ready. Leave a bit of water in the spaghetti from the boiling water. Add the veggies. Okay, and it took me half an hour to bake. Whoever is hungry, come and eat. È buona, sai? Un pochettino piccante, però è buona.